Hey guys, it's Cameron and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on waist training, which kind of ties into the other video that I did on my workout routine. I feel like waist training is kind of responsible for 75% of my body shape. There's not really a lot to talk about. I do get questions on this a lot, so I wanted to answer it. And because it does have a lot to do with the previous video that I uploaded. So we're gonna get started. Make sure to subscribe. I upload videos every single Sunday, so there's always something out. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you liked it, if it helped you, if you just want to click a button. Make sure to follow all of my social media. It'll be at the end of this video as well as in the description box below. So we're gonna get started. So if you are not aware of what waist training is, it was kind of a trend that I think became popular because of the Kardashians. I'm sure it was around before them, but the Kardashians are really the ones that put it onto the map. And it's basically where you're wearing a binding garment to bring your waist in and make everything slimmer. The way a waist trainer works is it just kind of squeezes everything in. So because everything is being squeezed in for such a long time, your body kind of starts to distribute fat in other areas besides your stomach. So this is not a quick fix. It's not something that's gonna like you wear it for 2 days and then all of a sudden you're like slim thick, which I'll do now kind of thing. You will start to notice like effects within a week or so, but if you want something that's gonna last for a while, you are gonna have to put some time and some effort into it. It's just not, it's like working out. Anything that's gonna make a change to your body is not gonna happen overnight. I don't care what anyone tells you, it's just not gonna work. So when I started waist training, it was probably about my sophomore year of high school, so I would say I was probably about 15. If you hear grass cutting, I'm sorry, they're outside cutting the grass. And this is the only time I had to film. But the first time I started waist training was probably when I was like 15, which is a little early. You know, your body is still developing. But the thing was, people a lot of times get waist trainers confused with corsets. A waist trainer is not a corset. A corset has metal rods in it, which is very unhealthy for you and doesn't allow a lot of room for flexibility. So while it may not have been the best idea considering I was developing, I did it and I'm fine. I don't have any internal stomach issues or anything. Waist trainers don't do that kind of thing. I will put a picture here of what my body was like before I started. I can say maybe some of it was a part of puberty, but I think most of it was from waist training because I think I was already like going through puberty at 15. Like pretty much that was gonna be my body shape. I'm still the same weight I was when I was 15. So as you can see, I was shaped like SpongeBob, but that's just how it was. And the waist trainer that I purchased is off of Amazon. A lot of people think that waist trainers are going to be very expensive because the ones that the Kardashians promote, I think it's from Prima Donna or something, and they're like $200. When you look on Amazon, they have them for 20, 30 bucks. The one I got when I purchased it, it was $20. I think now it's 28, you know, because, you know, inflation, yay. Still very, very affordable though. I will show you guys the one that I have. This right now is the one that I have. I'm currently in extra small. I don't know if they make extra smalls, which is why I have not, like from this company, they don't make extra smalls, which is why I haven't gone down in a size, which I really do need to if I want to continue to make any progress. But for right now, I am in the extra small. The company is called Yana. I will leave it linked down in the description box below so that you guys can purchase it. This one is very stretchy. You have a lot of room. There is the 3 clips on it. When I first started waist training, I was a medium and now I'm an extra small. So obviously, as you can tell, there was some difference made. So when I first started out with this, I probably way overdid it. I did not do it healthy. I don't suggest people do it the way that I did because it was just too much. So when I first started out, I would wear it to school. So I had it on for about 8 hours. There were times where I wore it to sleep. I do not suggest that you wear it to sleep. That is so bad for you. So I would wear it for at least 16 hours a day. I wore it for almost 2 or 3 weeks like that. When you first get a waist trainer, it is going to be the most uncomfortable thing. you will ever experience in your life. You feel like you can't breathe, you can't move, and that is because it's brand new and it's tight. So it is going to be uncomfortable. It is going to squeeze you a lot. You just have to bear with it, break it in. It'll get better, I promise. So the way that I do suggest doing it in a healthy way, not like a crazy maniac like I did. I suggest if you're going to do it in a healthy way, wear it for about 2 to 3 hours for the first 4 days so that you can get used to it, because trust me, you think it's going to be like nothing. It really is very uncomfortable. When I first started out, I started on the middle, and then I was on the last rung by the end of the week. I really needed to start out on the first, but I was just trying to squeeze everything in and get it through, and like I said, I didn't do it in a very healthy way. So it is better to do it with progression and patience. It is not going to be an overnight thing. Then once you're more accustomed to it, I do suggest wearing it for about 5 hours a day if you really want to see a difference happen fast. The other thing I do suggest is, I know a lot of times people say to work out with it. I do not believe you should do that whatsoever. Not only is your breathing restricted, it's a miracle that you made it to the gym, and you're going to be so uncomfortable that you're not going to work out to your full potential. So that's why I always tell people, wear it when you're like lounging around the house, you don't have anything to do. Do not wear it to work. I wore it to work before and I just thought I was gonna die. I was so cranky. So wear it when you have literally nothing to do. You're cleaning the house, you're watching a movie, like it'll still do its job. The other thing I do have to say is that it does kind of restrict your appetite a little. If you're trying to lose weight, then yeah, that's a good thing. If you're not trying to lose weight, then just try to eat. I'm gonna put it on for you guys real quick just so you can see. I have overalls on right now, so it's not gonna be like as tight as I want it to. And I don't suggest wearing it over clothes. I do suggest wearing it underneath your clothes. So you can see it really sucks you in. I need a smaller size because I'm on the last rung. And this feels so comfortable to me. It just feels like I'm getting a tight hug, so I need a smaller size. Normally, if you're wearing something that's like better for your sizing, it's gonna be squeezed in like this. So I have been waist training probably now for about 3 years. I don't wear it that often anymore because once you kind of have your desired results, your body is not gonna bounce back that often. It is something that you're gonna have to continually do. So once you get your desired results, you don't have to be so consistent with it, but you do have to continue doing it because otherwise it will just return back to how it was before. So that's gonna be it for my video. I know it's short and sweet, it's just kind of the basics and the tips. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you or you enjoyed it. Also make sure to subscribe. I upload videos every single Sunday. And to follow all of my social media, it will be at the end of this video as well as in the description box below. Oh, also, I put out a poll on Instagram and you guys said that you wanted me to start uploading twice a week. So my current schedule from now will be Thursdays and Sundays. I will now be uploading twice a week. So you guys can stay tuned for that. Also make sure to hit the little bell button so you can be notified every single time I upload a video and you won't miss out. I'm gonna go now because my battery's dying. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!